Got another composite functions question here. We've been given an f function, 3x minus 1, and a g function, 2x plus 4. And in part A, we've been asked to calculate fg of 2. Well, let's first of all try to work out what fg of x is. So I think the first thing to do is to try to calculate fg of x. And this notation means that we will put x as an input first of all to the g box, and then we will f the result. And out of here comes fg of x. So at this point we simply get 2x plus 4. Now the f box on its own, again, expects x on its input, but it's not getting x on its input, it's getting 2x plus 4. So wherever the f box mentions x, I have to replace that by 2x plus 4. So I can say that fg of x must be equal to 3 multiplied by its new input of 2x plus 4 minus 1. This is now just a matter of simplification. So multiplying this bracket out, I get 6x plus 12 minus 1, which is equal to 6x plus 11. But we're not quite finished, because the question's asking us for fg of 2. So all we've got to do now is to replace the x in our answer here with 2. So therefore I can say fg of 2 must be equal to 6 times 2 plus 11, which is equal to 23. And that will be your first answer. So in part B, the situation has changed. Effectively, we're shoving x into the first f box, getting an f result, and then that result goes into another f box. The order, of course, doesn't matter because it's doing the same job. So coming out of here, we will get 3x minus 1. This now acts as an input. So again, I'm going to be replacing the x in the second box with 3x minus 1. So f of x will be equal to 3x minus 1, because that's its new input, minus another 1. Algebra again, this bracket expanded is equal to, we get 9x minus 3 minus 1, which simplifies to 9x minus 4. Again, because the question asks us for ff of 3, we just need to substitute 3 into our expression here. So therefore I can say that ff of 3, and that's equal to 27 minus 4, which is equal to 23. And that will be your second result. In part C, we've been asked to find g f of x, and here is the arrangement. X travels into the f box first, and then the result is g'd. So coming out of that first f box, I get 3x minus 1. That now becomes the input to the g box, so I can say that gfx is going to be equal to 2 times its input, which is 2 multiplied by 3x minus 1 plus 4. Expanding that bracket, 6x minus 2 plus 4, and that is equal to 6x plus 2. And that's the answer to part C.